May I ask Undersecretary Cruz, when was the raid of Pamban conducted?
Your Honor. It's March 13, 2024, Your Honor.
March 13.
Yes, sir.
Would it be true that the information that you had a meeting for March 13 in a certain camp in Region 3?
What particular meeting, Your Honor?
Did you have a meeting at Camp General Servilio Aquino of the Northern Luzon Command before the raid?
Before the raid, yes, sir. Sa NOLCOM po, sir, meron.
Yeah, that's the question that I
Yes, sir,
I
meron
asked.
po, sir.
And in that meeting, informations were received by your office na lumalabas na yung mga tao doon sa Pogo Hub sa Bamban. Would that be correct?
Yes, sir. That's true, Your Honor.
Yes, that's true. And because of that, inapuran nyo na yung pag-conduct nyo ng raid.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I know, what were the expected, or what was the expected number of people that you would find the Pogo Hub?
During our pre-op, sir, we're expecting around 1,000 to 1,500 foreign nationals ang dadatnan po namin, sir.
And how many were you able to arrest?
Sa record po namin, sir, national.
So, what was in your mind then?
Definitely, sir, nagkaroon po ng leakage.
Definite.
Yes, sir.
Sagot po nyo sa akin, definite.
Yes, sir.
nagkaroon ng
Definitely,
leakage.
sir.
Kaya kumonte yung naratnan ninyo.
Yes, sir.
May I ask if General Karamat is still here?
Present, Your Honor.
Okay. Narinig mo yung sagot ni Jose Cruz doon sa Kwan sa tanong ko.
Yes, sir.
Ba na definitely nagkaroon ng leakage noong March 13 na operation, which included the Office of the Criminal Investigation and Detection. Tama?
Yes, I heard, Your Honor.
Now, yung dahilan doon sa isang raid kung bakit yung bang Pamban na Jose Cruz yung elements ng CIDG galing na sa Regions 1 in Cordillera?
Yes, sir. Actually, kaya po na-delay, Your Honor, yung pagdating ng elements from the Region 1, sir, dahil medyo malayo po, sir. So that's why we need to, yung grupo na lang namin, sir, ang talaga nagtulong-tulong para maisara, sir, yung mga lalabasan, sir, ng mga nasa Pogo Hubs.
But the participating units knew of the raid?
Yes, sir. Kasama po namin, sir, yung CIDG nun, sir. Yes, sir.
Nung CIDG elements from where?
NCR, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. There was also a raid conducted on the same area by the CIDG alone. Tama po ba? I think that was, tatanong kanina, that was February 1 ba?
That's 2023, Your Honor.
Yes. Yun yung tanong ni Honorable Busita na CIDG lang ang nag-operate. Tama po?
That's what I heard, Your Honor.
Yes. Tama rin po ba, General Karamat?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. And ang nag-lead ng raid, tatanong ni General Busita, if I understand it, si Colonel Alejandro?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. At after the raid, na-relieve siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero hindi pa ikaw ang CIDG head.
I was already the CIDG head, sir.
You were already the
Yes,
CIDG.
sir.
Para maklarify, kasi magulo kanina yung pagtatanong.
Yes, sir.
Di ba? So you were already the CIDG head when Colonel Alejandro raided yung Pogo Hub sa Bamban Tarlac in February of 2023.
That's correct, Your Honor, sir.
Now, let's go back to the question of the Honorable Busita. Magulo kanina. Most of our time, yan lang sa question na yun eh. Issue na yan. You relieved Colonel Alejandro how many days after the raid?
A day after the operation, sir.
A day after the operations.
Yes, sir.
Now, Honorable Busita did not ask you the reason why. I'm asking you the reason why a day after the operation, you relieved the head of the team which operated against the Pogo Hub in Bamban Tarlac.
Yes, sir, because there was already scheduled a revamp among all my commanders, sir. Actually, it was not Colonel Alejandro was issued order on that day. There were several regional commanders who were included in that reshuffle, sir.
Do you know the mayor of Suwal, Pangasinan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. And how close are you with him?
Being a former policeman, I know him. As a colleague also, as a police, sir.
But you are very close with him. Together with retired General Ronald Lee. Would that be correct?
I cannot answer for General Ronald Lee, sir.
Well, as a while ago, may mga pictures kayo eh. Kaya nang pinitinta ng chairman kanina. Ako, I have pictures. Would you still deny that?
I could only answer for myself, sir. But I suppose General
You do
Lee
not
was
know-
once the provincial director in Bulacan, sir. I'm in Pangasinan, sir, so I suppose he knows him, sir.
Kikita-kita kayo eh. Diba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yes. Kaya huwag ka na magsinungaling. Marami nang naipadala sa akin na information eh. Kaya, so, asking. So, the reason why Colonel Alejandro after the raid in Bamban was issued because meron ng plano na i-reshuffle ninyo. That's your official answer.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
And you think this representation would believe that?
Come again, Your Honor, sir.
And you think this representation, paniniwalaan po yun? Sinabi nyo?
I believe so, sir, because I was the one who authorized that operation in Banban. I give them clearance, sir. So, there is no reason na talagang i-relieve ko dahil dun sa operation nila dahil ako mismo ang nagbigay ng clearance sa operations na yun.
Well,
Wait. I'm sorry, Chairman, ako. Because a while ago, you were telling us that you were on leave. Now, sinasabi mo...
That was a different operation, Your Honor, sir.
No. Wait. You told us that on February 1, during the operation of Colonel Alejandro, you were on leave.
No, sir. During the operation of Colonel Buyakaw, that I was
You
on
were
leave.
on leave also of the...
No, no, sir. No, sir. I did not say that.
Anyway, Comsec, can you kindly backtrack the video? We wanted to find out. But for the meantime, you go ahead, Congressman Chairman Akop. Again, reminder, General Karamat, please, reminder po, huwag po tayo magsisinungaling sa hearing na to. Go ahead, Congressman Akop.
El Karamat,
Yes, sir.
would you know if the mayor of Sual Pangasinan really the boyfriend of Madam Mayor, former Mayor Alice Go? Not Congressman Batawil or Mayor Batawil, as insinuated by the Honorable Abante.
The same, sir. I could give my answer based on evidence, sir.
Based on evidence. And what you're trying to tell this representation and the committee is that you do not have any evidence.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yun siya. El Karamat, maraming marites eh. Nakakarating po dito sa Maynila. Ano pa kaya doon? Ano ba?
I will stick with my answer, Your Honor, sir, that I have no evidence, sir.
Kasi, kung titingnan po ninyo kasi, yung pagtatanong ko kay Yusek Cruz, definitely nagkaroon ng leakage. Yun ang statement niya. Saan po kaya manggagaling yung leakage? Kundi doon sa mga nakakaalam na merong operation against the Bamban Pogo Hub. Di po ba?
Sir, the operation...
You are an investigator. Alam mo na yung mga connections na yun. Di po?
Sir, I was not informed on that operation, sir. I was on leave abroad, sir. Zero knowledge talaga kami, sir. Even my command group, sir, were not informed of that operation, sir.
Yusek Cruz, why were there two search warrants you secured for such an operation?
For the Banban operation, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. There were two search warrants.
Why?
Malaki po kasi sir yung compound. So we need to use two search warrants.
There were 36 buildings in that 9-hectare or 10-hectare property, right?
About 10 hectares, Your Honor.
Now, have you asked PAGCOR kung lahat po ng building o yung operations doon may lisensya lahat?
Ang
Tatanong
kwento
niyo
po sa amin,
yung
sir, na,
PAGCOR kung
Yeah.
may
Yes,
lisensya
sir.
lahat, yung 36 buildings na yun?
We were told that only one building and at the second, third, fourth, and fifth floor lang sir yung may license. We did two search warrants, Your Honor. Kasi where the owner or maybe the operator during that time think that we will be raiding lang sir yung isang building. But what we did sir is we applied for the whole compound. So kasi sir alam namin yung pinakikitang building sa PAGCOR is the building that they want to be inspected because wala kang makikita talaga doon sir. It's like they are pulling all the inspectors with that building. So what we did, we applied for the whole compound, sir. So we can get yung mga scam farms nila, sir.
Let's leave that. Let's go to the raid at the subdivision in Tuba.